Today it's 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty nasty. Trying to buy and sell some scrap and some aluminum rims, Cadillac converters, whatever, heads, engines, transmissions, alternator starters, calipers, compressors, injectors if I find them. Alright, wish me luck. Gotta go get my truck. It's the Tim Hortons line. I picked this load up in the middle of nowhere. It's at a mechanic shop. Bunch of aluminum here. Trying to clean it, cash it in. Ton of aluminum. Oh, trying to clean it all. Getting it going here. So I'm only gonna video a couple minutes of this. How I clean it. Don't smoke cigarettes, everybody. They're not supposed to. Or something, I don't know. Oh, these gloves are soaked. It's been 10 degrees out. Knock the gloves right. Holy shit. One down, 100 more to go. Everything's full of ice, everything's heavier than it should be. That was a big one. Oh. These other people don't do anything, I work no matter what. Anyhow. Holy shit. Peel the ends off this one. You just stand that one up and peel. Don't worry about the little piece. Go ahead. Peel the ends off there. Basically, you could pry them right off the other way. Yeah, behind there. Yeah, just flip it up. Here, I'll show you again. This one's there. Put this off there. Sorry, it's my fault. Holy shit. This one's ready. Okay, whoa. We'll just throw the piles of plastic, everything in the plastic right there. If we like it later on, we'll clean it up. GoPro's running, sorry.
Where? Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I forgot it was there.
No. I just
Oh boy.
Okay, that one. Oh my god.
Could the camera be any smaller?
Yeah. That's a tiny camera. I'm just showing people how I make money. How I survive in the wintertime. How a scrap man's daily struggles.
Yeah.
I'm shot already today. Just gotta keep hammering them. No, we won't make the time. At least there's some ice in these ones. Stepping on a snowboard. This pile is getting a little down though. Doesn't seem like it. This one's broke pretty good. I'll make sure I break them better. Scrap man. Daily. I can't even see where I'm at now. I have to get ready. This one's brass. But I don't care about it now. It's later on brass. I'm gonna clean it up. Right now, let's just get the radiators in. Or if you want to steal the grass and take it home and clean them later on, you're more than welcome to. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you want to take any ends with metal in them, you're more than welcome to. Very good. I don't care. You can if you want to. I don't do that. Stainless steel. Should have a second axe. Do you want to try it out with the axe for a little while? Go ahead, keep going. I can keep going. This one's a heavy one right here. Say that's 15 pounds at 55 cents a pound. That's good money. Now you gotta get done. Grab the biggest ones first. Yeah, they're that big. It should be a big piece of brass in there. You know what I mean? This is making a mess. All right, whole video. That's when we had to reload it here. That was hell. I am tired. I gotta stop and get a Red Bull, but that's my pile of aluminum. I got like 4 or 5 into it, so plus gas. Probably another day, so say 550 in there plus. I don't know. So I'm just hoping this cashes out big. All right, going to the scrapyard. Hopefully nothing blows out. All right. We're heading in Jamestown here with the load. That's what it cashed in for. I paid less for it than what I said. I only paid like $400 plus gas and some lunch, breakfast, and a lunch today. So, but then I went back to the scrapyard and complained. Got more money because they set a price, and it's 61 cents a pound for radiators today, and it got way colder tonight. So, but it was a long day of cleaning radiators. I'm glad it's over. Just at 2 degrees. Now it's 3 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like -16 or 15 Celsius. All right.